Hi.
Hey.
Now we are, what, 17 days into the renovation, and
17?
I believe so. Yeah,
Okay.
we've been less than consistent at posting and just doing the live videos. We're not done, so just like to point that out. It's coming along beautifully. It's actually really nice. And
We're just exhausted. It's Memorial Day. We started off the day seeing Ryan's mom in the hospital after having lots of drinks with your dad last night.
Yep. You know, just doing the life thing. Yeah, we're not done with the floor yet. We've had some mix-ups moving the gas line.
Almost done. Finally.
It's almost done. Then we can put the stove in there once we get the gas fittings. All these weird fittings. It's really seems unnecessary, but it's probably necessary for some reason
very crazy.
beyond my knowledge. I'm not an engineer.
No, you're not. I never said you were, though.
I feel like somebody probably assumed I was just because of how much I presume to know, or it seems like I know. We're finding out that, you know, not only is the floor like not finished, but it's also kind of irregular in size, and by that I mean not every plank is the same width.
It's almost the same width, but it's not quite.
Not being the same length, that's expected. Not being the same width, I think, is probably why we got it so inexpensively.
I think this may be like all of the cast-offs from one giant order.
You know what? And sometimes I feel like one of the cast-offs from one giant order. You know? Don't you? Sometimes? You know? You feel like that from time to time. And we just want to show everyone that just because you're cast off from a larger order doesn't mean that somebody's not going to install you in their house and do their best, and then just have to get real creative with the putty and the wood filler and the wax and epoxy. We're not going to stain it, but hey, if that's you, feel you.
All right. So tomorrow you're going to go to Home Depot. You're going to get more of the mudding for the floor. You're going to exchange the gas tubing. And you might pick up some electrical wire for me. We'll see. That's what's going on.
Seems very comprehensive. We hope you're all caught up in our renovation. We're gonna take the rest of the evening off, being Memorial Day.
It's a nice night. It's gonna stay light really late.
Thanks. Have a really good night.